is they two American bass?
No, they're two Massive Hippos XL.
Two Massive Hippos.
Hey, yo, bad play. Hey, yo, bad play.
You had them going low.
Yeah. They go a little bit. I'm gonna upgrade it all for next year though.
You talking about some other stuff? What
So something bigger. More
them
powerful.
them sound good, man.
Thanks.
I like them. My friend, he got the same ones. He got the 12s. And his sounds super good too. Them Massives ain't nothing to sleep on. They really play the higher verse, the higher hertz a little bit better compared to the lower hertz. That one, I didn't tell that one was like real low when he was playing those. I like them. 215?
215.
That's a big box too. What Terry built it? What size is it? Like, you know the cubes on it? 8 cubic?
It's like around almost 10.
10? Terry did a lot of good work, man.